Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much for the support. In this video, this is an exciting video, okay? And what makes this video so exciting is that a company by the name of Rocky Mountain Oils has found our community. Okay, I'm so excited. I've been as you know, you guys, like I've shown you some recent purchases of other essential oils I've purchased that I've tried and I've used for different DIY so far I've done here, which I love, and I'm so happy to add these beautiful additions to my collection of oils, and also to recommend them to you all as I begin to try them. And so I'm so excited they found this community and they sent me these for free, so I will be trying them. And actually I have a video coming up soon. I have another DIY that I want to show you guys of a body spray, and I'm definitely going to be using these essential oils, and I will let you know how it goes. But without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, it says Rocky Mountain Oils here, and then here it says happiness has arrived. So let's check it out. And for the purpose of this video, so it won't be too long, I already removed the tape at the bottom. So when you open it up, here it says enjoy the journey, and then inside here I have a handheld, let's put this inside, a handheld personal diffuser by the company. So it looks like this on this side, okay? And it says aromatherapy on the go, easy to use, portable design, USB rechargeable. I never seen this before, so this will be interesting. And over here it says portable, handheld, easy to use, personal aromatherapy diffuser, creates an ultra fine mist of cool water and essential oils, perfect for use at home, in the office, or on the go. Small size, fits in your bag, desk drawer, or glove box. 10 60-second intervals of continuous mist. Fill your diffuser with water and 1 to 2 drops of pure essential oil, and it recharges with a USB cable included. Easy to use and clean. So over here it shows you the model of it. So let's open it up. Let's open it up here. Woo. All right. Open it up here this way, and then you can see that it has a covering, plastic covering over it for protection. And so this is what it looks like. When you put this down, it lights up. And so I guess this is where this is the USB port right here. Okay, so let me see if it opens up. Okay, it opens up here. Yeah, so let me put the top back on here. And the logo is there. Okay, so it should be
interesting to use. Next, I have this little card they gave me as well. Let's see what it reads here. I'm going to be reading it with you all. Beautiful colors here. So it says, I love your DIY YouTube videos. I hope that their essential oils will boost your creativity. Please refer to the website, okay, for usage instructions. Let me know when you would coming. Okay, so I'm going to read every little thing, but, so yes, thank you so much, Rocky Mountain Oils.
And let's see what they gave me. So here the oils come in these in this packaging here, this casing. And so let's see the first one. Lavender. Look at it, guys. Oh, camera focus. I got lavender. Y'all know I love lavender. Oh my gosh. I love the smell of lavender. So they gave me a lavender. As a matter of fact, listen. I'm going to smell it right now. Alright. Yes. It smells good. Oh my gosh. Yes. It says dilute for topical, and it says diffuse 5 to 10 drops if I'm going to diffuse it. So that's that. Next, we have eucalyptus. Yes, I love eucalyptus as well. I started using eucalyptus a little bit of last year into this year, so it's fairly new to me, but still I like it. Yes, eucalyptus, and it's strong. It's a strong scent, so a little goes a long way. And last but not least, citrus passion. Let's see what this smells like. Alright. What? No, this is gonna be, oh my gosh, guys. This is about to be my favorite one. Oh my goodness, this smells good. This one right here. First impression, yes, this one. So this is citrus passion. Oh, and the eucalyptus has another. It says eucalyptus radiata and then lavender. So I am so excited. Thank you so much once again to Rocky Mountain Oils. I will definitely be using these oils. Please check out my upcoming DIY, which will feature these essential oils. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I'll see you all in my next video. Stay tuned for my upcoming DIY, which will feature these awesome essential oils. I'm so excited. And also stay tuned for info on Rocky Mountain Oils if you're interested in purchasing. See you in the next video. Take care. Be blessed.